So now we'll go over to the laser and we'll put these programs in the laser and set it off, and we'll see what the result is. Okay, I'm happy with that, so we'll set it going. Okay, so this time is going to be tracing or cutting, but not. Already I can see that that is set way too high, so I'm just going to reset the power level and we'll do that again. Okay, this time I've reset it to 20% power output, which is about 30 watts, maybe 32 watts of laser power across the board instead of 30% output. So here we go, we'll give this a try. Yeah, before it was burning nearly all the way through. So hopefully this time it's not going to. I still think it's a little bit too high. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, a little bit too high. I think I'm going to have to drop it down further. It's actually going all the way through again. Okay, this time I've dropped it all the way back to 15% of power, which is about 20, 22 watts, possibly. And I'm deliberately doing it in exactly the same spot. So as the the etching then progresses, you can see that here, the power level here, and then as it progresses through the drawing, it gets less and less. So I'll reset that now, and we'll run this. So this is 15%. And I know this laser will go all the way down to 10%. Below 10%, it doesn't really fire that much. Now even that I think is a little bit too much, so I'm going to bring it all the way down now to 12 watts. Okay, so this time is 12 watts, and I've upped the speed slightly too to 22 millimeters a second, which is roughly about 7/8 of an inch per second of travel of the laser. So here we go. Okay, I stopped it there because I could see that the potential of this trace of this dragon could be quite spectacular, actually even better than this. So I've enlarged it slightly so there's less burning between the lines, and I've knocked it down to 11% power output, which is getting close to minimum, and I think it can be quite a spectacular trace. So I'll just reset the datum. Okay, that'll do. Now I'm going to set it off of that, and let's see what happens. This was a scanned image, and of course after about 3 or 4 attempts we got the right setting for the trace, or in actual fact it's a cut, but the laser is set at such a low level it can't cut all the way through, although just about here it did. So you can get a very reasonable image then with a scan, and if you're doing a photograph, that's what you would use. Okay, but for this particular line drawing, which a lot of should we say laser work is, you can get, you know, a fantastic result, and I'll show you what sort of result you can get. This, a perfect result. And of course you do this, I mean this is just a 1/8 ply, good ply, but it's only 1/8 of an inch, and you can do this and cut it out with a laser and put it into a frame, you know. And I mean, you know, it can be anything, it can be, you know, any line drawing you wish. In other words, you can make a collage of different things, plants, animals, motorcycles, cars, it doesn't matter. You know, the sky's the limit, and the art of this is only restricted by your mind. And I sort of strive to just show you how to achieve this, and that's what these videos are about. And I hope you enjoy them. Now, the next video I will actually be doing a photograph, and I'll show you how to get the best results on wood with that. So I hope you've enjoyed the video today, and I hope you like and subscribe. And there is something that you could greatly help me and this channel with, and that is to become a patron. Now, because of recent events, and I'm not talking COVID here, I'm talking what has happened on YouTube in general. The ad revenue just isn't there, and whereas you could make enough money to cover your costs, it's near impossible now. So I opened this time last year. I opened up Patreon to help me to keep going, and you know, sort of more so now, even more so now. It is the patrons, you know, sort of supporting this channel that you know, keeps it propped up and keeps me going, you know, able to produce high quality videos. So if you could possibly think about supporting the channel, there's a link to my Patreon page at the end of this video in the credits, and also down below this video, just under the title and description. So there you go, a near perfect representation of a picture, you know, sort of made by a 100-watt laser. So thank you for joining me, and it's bye for now.